am Subhash Singh from Deepak Fertilisers, Pune. So what we are doing there are the 4-5 initiatives we have taken. We are mainly into fertilizer and chemicals. So we are taking the initiative where all these type of our machines and other things, that data that directly coming in the historian, and we are looking to it how we can utilize that data to have a proper dashboard and have a decision system and increase the productivity with very less downtime to it. That's how it is going on. First thing is, as I mentioned, the connectivity of the machines, the analytics, correct. Then we have got a priority of directly to the customer. That is the customer insight. Which is customer insight we have to go, where we want to have a farmer engagement. As our fertilizers are going to farmers, so farmer engagement is must for us. So that are my main priorities here. And another thing, as I said, cyber security, which is goes hand in hand for any of the transformation here.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.